Before you speak, your eyes speak for you. Hold a steady gaze, unblinking, for just a second longer than normal. This creates psychological pressure, making the other person feel they must prove themselves to you. Leaders use this in negotiations to establish dominance before the conversation even starts. Most people rush to fill silence. Powerful people use silence as a weapon. After someone speaks, pause for 2 to 3 seconds before replying. That pause forces them to keep talking, revealing more information than they intended. In psychology, the frame is the invisible set of rules in a conversation. Whoever controls the frame controls the outcome. Set your frame early. Decide the emotional tone, the pace, and the unspoken game you're playing. Once they're in your frame, they'll obey without resistance. Body language isn't just posture, it's position. In a meeting, stand or sit slightly higher than others. In public, control the space around you. This triggers a primal instinct. People subconsciously see you as the leader. Embed suggestions inside casual sentences. Instead of saying, "Do this," say, "When you do this, you'll notice." The brain processes it as a natural step rather than a command, reducing resistance and increasing compliance. These are not tricks, they are tools. The only question is, will you use them to protect yourself or to control others? If you want more, watch my video on Tommy Shelby's Dark Psychology, how he reads people in 3 seconds. Subscribe. Your new reality starts now.